Hi, I'm Leah here with this edition of Classroom Corner. Today's topic is the integrity of pairs. So this is a scenario that actually happened in one of my classes over the last few weeks, and I wanted to share it with you. So the hand that we're going to concentrate on primarily is like numbers, right down here as you can see my finger, and also talking about up here consecutive numbers, two consecutive numbers in one suit with matching dragons. As you can see, there is a Kong of twos up here. The student had 3 in her hand, and the fourth 2 bam was discarded by someone else at the table. And I encouraged her to call to complete her Kong naturally, not having to waste a joker. She was thinking about which way to go and what hand to use, and I immediately tried to impress upon her that for the like numbers hand, the consecutive run hand, she did not have a 3 or a 1 to go on either side of the 2 here, and she did not have the match to her dragon for her pair. And my suggestion to everyone is you want to always say to yourself, if I'm lucky enough to get 4 jokers, what hand's going to work? Well, this is the hand that's going to work. Sometimes you need to sacrifice, in a way, your extra tile here so that you don't get to use this to call to complete your Kong, because she doesn't have any 2 cracks here, and you can't use jokers in a pair ever, never. So as I said, the rule of thumb is if you're lucky enough to get 4 jokers, what's going to work? So you in essence have to sacrifice one of these, and then hopefully you get your jokers and you can use them to complete your Kong here. And maybe you get naturally a flower here, and that's great. And if you don't, you can certainly use a joker there because this is also a Kong. So even though you might have to sacrifice this, it certainly is better than discarding joker after joker after joker. Many of you have been in that boat, and once it happens, hopefully you've learned your lesson. So this example is not specific to our like numbers hand. It can be appropriate with any hand that's got singles or pairs. And you want to say to yourself, if I get 4 jokers, what hand's going to work? So if you are missing your pair, like 1 or 2 pairs here for 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, all in one suit, you can't use jokers here. So sometimes you have to switch to a hand that maybe you don't have as many tiles for, but if you're lucky and you get the jokers, it's going to work. Also, you need to keep track of what tiles have been discarded by other people when you're making your decision. This is a no-brainer. It always works. Sometimes it's painful, but the proof is in the pudding. You get Mahjong. Thanks for joining me. I'm Leah at Classroom Corner.